Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Excel Power Query for data workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Microsoft Excel Power Query, first, ensure you have a compatible version of Excel. Power Query is available in Excel 2010 and later, with full integration in Excel 2016 and onward. Visit the official Microsoft website to download the Power Query add-in for Excel 2010 or 2013. If you are using Excel 2016 or later, Power Query is already included within the application. For Excel 2010 or 2013, locate the downloaded Power Query installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to agree to the license terms and continue. Choose the installation location or proceed with the default path. Click the Install button to initiate the installation of Power Query. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Click Finish to exit the setup program. Open Microsoft Excel to confirm the installation. Navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon to find the Power Query options. If using Excel 2016 or later, look for the Get and Transform Data section. For Excel 2010 or 2013, you will see the Power Query tab on the ribbon. To begin using Power Query, click on the Get Data button. Select your desired data source from the drop-down options. From here, you can connect to various data types such as Excel files, databases, or online sources. Follow the prompts to load and transform your data as needed. Explore the Power Query editor to make further modifications to your data workflow. When complete, click Close and Load to bring your data back into Excel. Now you are ready to utilize Power Query for efficient data management and analysis. This powerful tool can streamline your workflows and enhance your data processing capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.